Hello, it's me Evan and welcome back to my channel. I'm making a rainbow with food coloring and it's called Science Experiments. Need a little bit of dish soap and some milk and an earbud to make it. And where's the orange food coloring? And we need some food coloring. And I'll tell you how. To do, we need to add some food coloring. Pink, rock. Now we need the ear. Now I'm going to add the earbud in the dish soap. And now I'm going to whoa!